In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an iCloud email alias. An iCloud email alias is simply an extra email address that points to the same inbox you already use. It's great for privacy, organization, or separating different parts of your life, like newsletters, shopping, or signups, without creating a new Apple ID. All messages sent to an alias land in your main iCloud mail inbox, and you can also send messages from that alias when you want to keep your primary address private. Each iCloud account can have up to 3 aliases, so you can create a small set of focused addresses that are easy to manage. We'll set it up on iCloud.com, which is the most straightforward method and works on any device with a web browser. Start by opening your browser and going to iCloud.com/mail. Sign in with your Apple ID to access iCloud Mail. Once you're in, look for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click it, then choose Settings. Next, go to Account or Mail Settings, depending on what you see in your version of iCloud Mail. Find and select Add Alias. You'll be asked to fill in a few details. First, choose the alias address, the part that comes before @iCloud.com. Pick something clear and relevant to how you plan to use it. If your first choice is already taken, try a small variation. Next, enter the full name you want recipients to see when they get mail from this alias. This is the display name on outgoing messages. Finally, add a label. This is just a nickname inside your own mail settings to help you stay organized, so choose something that reminds you what the alias is for. When everything looks good, click Create. Your new alias becomes active right away. From this point on, any emails sent to that address will arrive in your main iCloud Mail inbox, just like your primary address. When you compose a new message, you can choose which address it's sent from by selecting the alias in the From field. This is useful when you want to keep your primary address out of sight or maintain a consistent identity for specific types of communication. That's all there is to it. You've created a flexible way to manage email without juggling multiple accounts. Use your aliases intentionally, one for signups, one for personal projects, one for online purchases, and you'll keep your main address cleaner and your inbox easier to navigate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra control and privacy that aliases can bring to your iCloud Mail.